Last year, we launched Million Dollar Baker, a video course designed specifically for bakers ready to start, grow, or level up their bakery business. We built it for the dreamers, the doers, the home bakers who wanted to go pro, and the pros who wanted more. We've watched new bakeries launch across the country and around the world, all fueled by the same passion and determination we had when we started. But recipes and branding are just the beginning. Behind every successful bakery is a mountain of decisions most people never see about equipment, workflows, layout, staffing, logistics, and finances. That's why we've been working hard on Season 2, focused entirely on what happens behind the scenes, the stuff no one tells you, but everyone eventually runs into. We didn't want to repeat Season 1, we wanted to build on it. If Season 1 was about building the product and the brand, Season 2 is about making the business work. How do you deal with space constraints? How do you manage employees? What gear is worth the investment and what's not? What systems save time and reduce stress? How do you keep your books from becoming a nightmare? We've made mistakes. We've also made progress, and we want to share both. This isn't a get-rich-quick promise or a cookie-cutter blueprint. It's a hard-won experience packed into honest, practical lessons. I want you to be prepared for the toughest days so you can reach your best ones faster. These are lessons you won't find anywhere else from people who've actually lived them. Join now for $1,099 and get instant access to over 20 hours of content, including the new Season 2 when it drops at no additional cost. Once Season 2 goes live, in order to recoup our investment, the full course will increase to $1,199. If you're serious about building a bakery that lasts, this is the education we wish we had.